The career is more at stake when you in your prime. Fuck that paper, baby, my face on the dotted line. I've been flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, they just want a peace of mind. I've been focused on the future, never on right now. But I'm sipping, I can boot you, either pink or brown. I'm the one that introduced you to the you right now. Oh my God, that be babe. Well, alright, tryna fight in the night. Come alive, ain't it sneak? Ain't it?
Pop my shit, get it live, hold up. Yeah, you try to come run back this shit, they popping your tires, hold up. Shit, 100 round, feeling like I'm on team. Playing both sides of these hoes, shot out, I'm fucking your friends. I've been going crazy, shot, I've been hitting deep in. She not in the scene, she just tryna go. I just been hustling my hoes. I just been dripping my hoes. Just holding out a loud shot. I got these hoes on their toes. I put the bitch on the road. She tryna fuck on the O. I got this hoe with me. She tryna show me something. I got flows for days. These niggas ain't on nothing. Me and my bro like they ain't know we on one. We in the spot going crazy until the sun up. You worried about that hoe done chose up. Pistol solid in the kitchen, can't get the cold up. Why the fuck these niggas ain't like they know it? Double O kick this shit we told up. Switch out the bed, these niggas get rolled up. Everything hit, everything.
You was on bullshit. I was fucking with you and you was on bullshit. You was acting like a nigga wasn't gonna be up. Now a nigga up, you tryna fuck. Now I ain't even tryna get down. Now you want. Now you want. Now you want. You want me back then. Now you on it. Now you on it. Now you on it. Blicked up, y'all keep me a shit. Blicked up, y'all keep me a shit when I walk through that bitch.
35 months.
Yo,
what the?
I got an AP on my wrist, it's not an Invicta.
35 months? Yo, shout out to the people who did not cancel their subscription. That's crazy.
I been getting money, these niggas been trolling. Ain't had no shirt, no my neck and wrist frozen. Ain't had no social media, now see me when I'm scrolling. Oh shit, I came from the mud, now I'm out in Cali. Shout out to my blood, it is what it is, yeah it was what it was. I been fucking this bitch for years, we got a strong connection. Went for commercial to first class, now I'm jumping off a jet. Every time I move, they gotta cut me a check. Every time she pull up, she dropping off that net. Can't tell you the whole story, cause you already know the rest. Oh shit, oh shit. My life still loaded. I can't sugarcoat it. I've been having cheese all on this shit done molded. Oh shit, oh shit. I think that I'm chosen. These niggas be hating Mr. Mose. Me and my team tryna win a trophy. Snap, pride, she wanna design things. Masked up,
Chat,
I'm
can't believe we're back here. That's crazy.
Pass up on the broad.
Chat, this is crazy, bro. This is crazy. I didn't even know what to say. I didn't even know what to expect on this stream, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. fucking love you guys, man.
This for gon' turn this nigga to a old bitch. Smoke switch sweets, grab and leave. Yeah, nice paper. If she about it now, she get this cocker, can I say ain't gon' pass you to the gang, I'ma fuck with you later. I been off it, and I'ma stay there. Oh shit, oh shit. My life still loaded. I been solo, yeah, working on my dollar.
The jet, goddamn. I don't get no rest, goddamn. I want my respect, goddamn. I've been running up a check, yeah. When we forget, ease my stress, goddamn. When she get that neck, trim. Get this movie star, film. A ring a shining star. Carrots in my ear and it clear. I been rocking shades, lights, and a blur. Fashion every day, put it in couture. Put in work, make that pussy purr. Yeah, I endorse. Mash in a Porsche. DC to New York. Me and a few joints, about to meet at the club port. Look for the Rolls Royce. On that up the jet, goddamn. I don't get no rest, goddamn. I want my respect, goddamn. I been running up a check, and we forget ease my stress, goddamn. When she get that neck, trim. Get this movie star, film. A ring a shining star. Goddamn, nigga fortunate. Every day locked in, I make M's off my voice. I know how to win, get you in on the source. Head up with my chin up, I ain't got no other choice. Had to cut my jeans, look like new Louis George. Right out 50 G just to spend on my little shorty. Backyard is a seed, I can retire when I turn 40. You my type of freak, while we fucking, I record it. Couldn't believe I start sipping codeine for my core. You see, extra couple hundred G's for my aura. Good Trisha, Manny Frost AP on a whore. Ibiza, had to show her visa at the port. On that up the jet, goddamn. I don't get no rest, goddamn. I want my respect, goddamn. I've been running up a check,
Yo, chat, 10 minutes, okay? 7:30. 7:30, I'll come on.
She get that neck, trim. Get this movie star, film. A ring a shining star.
Also, I fixed the delay, chat. There's no delay. Like, there's like a little second delay, but like, it's a lot less than what it was before. But the only thing about that is that the stream's in 1080 now instead of 1440, but it's not too much of a difference. Man,
I don't get no rest, goddamn. I want my respect, goddamn. I've been running up a check, yeah. When we forget ease my stress, goddamn. When she get that neck, trim. Get this movie star, film. A ring a shining star. Carrots in my ear and it clear. I've been rocking shades, lights, and a blur. Fashion every day.
The winner is Black Boy Matt.
When I'm out of town, I be tripping, I be on one. Why he taking pictures in that lamb, he don't own one. Shades on my face, not Dior, these are chrome ones. He say he a rapper, I ain't never heard his song once. Fucking with my son, I shoot a nigga dome up. Everybody started acting weird when I glowed up. If I get a deal, I get the max pay. When I argue with my girl, she send an essay. I rub and listen when I'm chillin' on my rest day. I'm tryna kick it with your horn being messy. Niggas hating on me cause I turn my turn up. Litter than these niggas, he ain't even turn one. But listen, yo, my cross, I only wear the fur ones. He say he got a plaque, but he ain't even deserve one. Yeah, I fucked the pit, but that's my friend though. Yeah, pull her in a beam and not no bands hoe. Freak hoe acting like an angel. She wanna take a trip out to Caicos. Came with the bros and we stayed there. 100 racks a day, yeah, this ain't fair. Yeah, I hit your hoe and I had pink hair. Went for my hoe and I got pink tips. When I'm out of time, I drop 50 like I'm cold. I don't watch the meditators, cause I'm always rockin' chrome. Fight forever, bitch, only number that I know. I'm gonna ride the 5 until I die, put stars on my tongue. They hate me cause I'm rich, but they love when I was poor. Balenciaga trips, I fucked around and bought the stove. When I'm out of town, I be trippin', I be on one. Why you taking pictures in that lamb, he don't own one. Shades on my face, not Dior, these are chrome ones. He said he a rapper, I ain't never heard his song once. Fucking with my son, I shoot a nigga dome up. Everybody started acting weird when I glowed up.
You know, call my phone. Call my phone. I don't even need it home. Leave me alone. I'm saying calm, yeah. I wear calm, yeah. Come back or song, yeah. You bitch in my home, yeah. She give me dome, she give me hit like a comb, She give me dome, she give me hit like a comb, Ay, she give me dome, she give me hit like a comb, She give me dome, she give me hit like a comb. Yeah, swag, Cooping that bitch out of roof. Bitch tryna fuck all the boo. She out of Baltimore cheese. She got that Baltimore tooth. Yeah. Diamonds they hit like Ray Lou. Yeah. All of my Baltimore screws. Yeah. Water on me and my shoes. Yeah. Just like a portable hoop. Yeah. I flew you hard, yeah, she was affordable. I flew you hard, yeah, she was affordable. This is so wet like a dog swim. She gave me more. I told her oral. This is an 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 oral. Y'all like me don't give a fuck. Yo, bitch out here still getting fucked. It's the oral. His money shorter at the water. It's the question rhetorical. Pull up a Hellcat, Ace Ventura. If it's been turn nigga to a porter. Saw LB, it's none but the water. Swear at me, she like my daughter. And she 23, so she under a quarter.
EBK shit, give a fuck what you, man. You can die right now if you think you gon' try. Niggas claiming they gang, but they ain't gang. Cause I'm sitting right here with on right now. And I'm on right now. I drink, yeah, I'm loaded right now. I pull up with like 15 black trails, feel like president. 250,000 is how my day was spent. I stuffed that shit in my trials and the other days finished.
What I spent on lean, I could've went and bought Mercedes Benz. She said she feeling me, but I think I won't go and fuck her friend. I'm on tour, bitch, but I still linked up with the X-Man. Count up money, put up, drink this shit just like Eddie, every day I'm fresh with the swag, I go spend it, upside down, crush up against, go spaghetti,
I having blue cheese, while I'm having faith, till I lit the seeds, while I know the street, my swag costs a frenzy, got niggas jealous, and ain't got no envy in me, that's why my pockets heavy.
I want the whole load, nothing less, I want the whole bag, nothing less. I pull the whole prank, bitch, nothing less. I spend the whole wad of cash, nothing less. I ain't got no envy in me, bitch, that's why my pocket's heavy. I keep counting up the M&M's, put wifey on my necklace. Me and gang, switch the swag up quick, tell the chick.
I put that bitch in the jag, she used to drop licks. I got a bitch with a fat ass, she for taste. I got smarter hoes, super skinny, all she do is nick. I put all type of hoes, I'm complex. Like nigga from Fantastic Four, make money straight. I got this bitch throwing up, oh she throwing up sick. I live my life on private fit, that's why I'm on the jet. I pull up with like 15 black trails, feel like president. 250,000 is how my day was spent. I stuff that shit in my trials, yeah, they spent. I'm tryna switch up my location, switch my residence. I just bust my wrist now, then I go bust down my bitch. I'm getting rich now, I ain't got no time for that shit. I keep pulling Drake, in the way I'm getting sick. I'm with the edge, man, bitch, we like the presidents. Everything I do, presidential like the rolling. With my new rock boots, I got on like holy moly. I am for that care, taking let that bitch 40. I live in a hotel, I live my life like Zach and Cody. But all these niggas be hang like Miss Mouse. I told you when I got no rats, I was gonna do the most. On the way ahead of these niggas, man, that shit ain't even close. I can shut the whole world, yeah, with one post. I pull up with like 15 black trucks, I feel like the president. 250,000, that's how my day was spent. I stuffed that shit in my trousers, yeah, education. I stuffed the rats in them drugs, yeah, in my bridges.
We was gone off that old potion, hit that slow motion. What you got going rogue? Someone left the stove open.
Yo, chat.
It was double R. We was Range Rover with the Rocky Rolly Rolls Royce. Rough Rider anthem just hit drop. Reach for the popcorn. Oops, that's my cock. Got my heart broke. I like that bitch a lot. Time moving slow. I ain't tripping though. I thought you had to know. I'm moving slow. I just thought you had to know.
Chat. What up, man? What's going on, everybody? Man, it's been so long. I don't even know where to start with you guys today. I don't know where to start. I don't even know how to start. But I miss you guys though, man. It's been, where's my camera at? Let me put my camera on. And let's hope I don't get copyrighted or a strike on the first stream back. Okay, what camera overlay is this? Alright, yo. Alright, chat. What's going on, everybody? The hairline? Yo, chat, it's been a long time, bro. It's been a very long time. Let me just make sure this box does not. Chat, I don't know where to start. I don't even know where to start, but I miss you guys, bro. It's been a minute. It's been like 6 months, half a year, bro. A lot has happened since, and we're gonna talk about it. Okay, so we're definitely gonna talk about it before we get into the charts. But yeah, we gotta clear some stuff up, or not clear some stuff up, just talk about stuff first, and then we'll see where the rest of the stream goes. All right, but the first stream back, so like it's been a while, bro. I'm not gonna, this is the longest break I've ever taken off streaming, so I don't even know how it's gonna go. I sound rusty. I do sound rusty. It's been a minute. Like, I was looking at the mods again, and I was like, cause like, yo, we're gonna fix up the mod situation as well, but cause I think a lot of you guys, some of you guys might not have the mod, so we're gonna fix that. But you know, give me some time. It's first stream back. Let's see. Chat, where do I start? First of all, let me pause the music and play. me put some copyright on. All right. Shall we start? A lot clearer, more developed. Shall we start? First and foremost, okay? I want to make this clear because obviously after that video dropped, I think the number one thing that people said the most was where's the apology? Now, I want to make it very clear. I apologize. Like, I'm very, very deep down sorry, but saying sorry isn't gonna do anything. We all know that. Saying sorry is not gonna do anything. Like, actions speak louder than words, right? So my way of sorry, obviously right now, there's no action for the sorry yet, but this is a start, right? This is why I came back. This is why I'm here. So I want to make it clear that yes, I am sorry. And I do apologize for all of those people who were affected by the ma'am, but I'm still training the ma'am, and I won't stop training the ma'am, and I'll do whatever I can, ma'am or without the ma'am, whatever it is, to get everyone back whole. That's a promise. All right, I just want to make that clear. That's a promise, because I guess in the video, as much as I said how I'm still training the ma'am, for me that came off as like I'm gonna continue training the ma'am until things are right again. But for some people, they took it as something else, right? So I just want to make that clear and tell you guys that. But it's a start. It's obviously like there's a lot of work that has to be done, okay? And it's not gonna be like one smooth ride to the top. Like, that's just not how it goes. We all know this. So it's gonna take some time. I gotta adjust to the stream again. I gotta adjust to how things are again, but we're here. This is day one, okay? So whatever 2025 comes with, hope you guys had an amazing year last year. I had probably one of the roughest years of my life, but it's life. Like, I'm not just gonna like back down, not just gonna give up, right? It's just part of life. So and it's not just a ma'am too, because a lot of you guys probably didn't know this back last year, but I think it was like around beginning of the year, I was getting like tracked and stalked on, and like I was held at gunpoint at one point, right? So like I think it was February around that time when I took a week off streaming, or 2 weeks off streaming. I think some of you guys probably remember that still. And I had to move. I had to go to a different place, and then I had to move into a different spot. So that kind of cooked like half of my year last year, and then the man thing happened as well. So it was just a lot that happened last year, but you know, it's part of life. So I wouldn't say it's the worst year of my life. It's probably like the best educated year of my life. Just I learned a lot, I grew a lot, and I think it's time I come back and I share whatever I can with you guys, right? So that's kind of where my head's at. But I just want to tell you guys that, because I don't know, but to you guys, or not to you guys, but to a lot of people, you guys thought I just planned everything and I did everything on purpose. Like, I purposely like did everything. I spent 4 years of my career. Like, there's people who I thought were really cool with me that started making videos about it. And like, it's one thing to make a video about it, talking about, you know, what happened to ma'am, but it's another thing to spread like a rumor that's just not true about a broker deal, which is 100% not true at all, right? So if I had a broker deal, chat, I would have given y'all a cut. No, I'm playing. But like, there's definitely no broker deal, and there's a lot of people who, like, I don't know, they just went with that narrative. They made videos about it, try to get some content for the channel. I get it, but come on, bro. At least like, if you're gonna get content out of it, spread like the factual bad stuff that happened, at least, not just like the false stuff, you know what I mean? So yeah, chat, like that's just what I want to say off the bat, get off my chest. But we got a long year to go, chat. It's only January 6th today, okay? So it's the first stream back. I appreciate you guys for waiting like half of the year last year. Yeah, man, let's just hope things get back to where they were, and or back to where they were, plus obviously way better than what it was. All right, but damn, yo, a lot has happened since. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, bro. Give my money back. A lot of you guys are saying give my money back. A lot of you guys aren't in the math, but if you are, it's gonna take some time. Like, I don't want to put a date on when and how and like when, but like it's literally the first thing on my mind. It's literally the number one most important thing to me to do right now. All right, because it's that plus it's gonna be more. So like that's my promise, but I'm working on it. Like, I'm here on stream every day working on it. Okay, it's gonna take some time. Could be a couple months, could be a year, could be more than a year. I don't want to put a time limit on it, but I'm working on it. All right, so I just want you guys to know that I'm working on it. And you mods are working actually heavy today, so I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate you mods. Yeah, you guys are working OT today. All right, chat. What else could we? Where'd you get the audacity to come back? Audacity to come back? Well, you didn't want me to come back? Like you like I was supposed to not just come back? Like I was supposed to just dip off, you know what I mean? Nah, like the grind, it never stops, it never ends. The journey never ends. This is part of my journey, and like obviously, like I don't. If we can go back in time, I could erase what happened. That'll be amazing. We can all erase what happened. We'll all forget. Amazing, right? But that's just not how it is. Things happen the way it happened, and you guys get to see it live in 4K. So now it's time to show you guys what we can do in 4K as well. You know what I mean? So in the end, I promise things will be alright. Things will be alright. All right, but we just gotta keep going. We just gotta keep going, keep moving, and we'll learn from it. I'll learn from my mistakes. Can you explain? Okay, everything I will explain. Just give me some time, all right? Let me just see what else we can talk about here. I'll get into like the psychology trading stuff in a bit. I literally came onto the stream, nothing planned, chat. I'm just gonna go off of the rip with whatever comes at us. The first stream is gonna be more of like this, chat. Like the streams tomorrow and after are probably gonna be a lot more like just trading related. We'll obviously get more questions here and there. I'll answer them, but like to be honest, today's stream is gonna be, you know, just airing shit out. All right, so like if you want to air shit out, today's your day. Come air shit out. Just like tip the mods or something. Let's see. Zoom link. No Zoom link today. There's gonna be no Zoom link today. We're working on for everyone that's in like Control FX or like in-person course members, like everyone is in. There's now a chat called alumni. Everyone who is a course member is in that chat now, and I'm gonna be giving you guys a huge update on that. But before we talk about any of that stuff, I got some other shit to talk about. How you prepare and recover mentally, psychology to face your community. You must be brave. Honestly, like I haven't been in this exact spot before, but I've been in situations like this before where like back against the wall, like I like literally just all odds stacked against me. And like I was in some deep shit, but I managed to crawl out of it every time. So like that happened like probably like twice for me in my life so far, and I'm very young still, so I'm sure, you know, it's not the end of it, but it's just I've done it before. I know this one's a little different. This one's a lot more bigger than what it is, but like every time it has happened to me in the past, it's gone bigger each and every time, right? So like I don't think this time will be any different. Obviously there's more people involved now. There's people, there's eyes on me. But if I keep that same mentality I had, that same spirit I had when those past things happened to me, I'm just gonna use that and take the same steps. And this time, I would assume we'll get the same results, right? But at some point, you know, I was planning to come back at some point to explain it. It's just a matter of when and how. And I didn't plan on coming back until maybe like the Twitter post I made. When I started making those Twitter posts. Beforehand, I was like, when I hopped off in July, it wasn't for those. It was for what happened in February. So like, I was kind of spooked from that. I was getting trackers under my R8 a couple times, and I was like, honestly, like, is it even worth it for me to be on socials when I'm gonna continue being tracked and just stalked on? So I took it as like, I don't know, I took it as like a little break. Like I hopped off maybe like a month before, or 2 months before the whole man thing happened. Leave Canada? I know. Maybe I'm not in Canada. Will we be expecting new train gems? Yeah, you'll be expecting gems. I mean, you'll be expecting stuff, new or old. Let's see. Chat, can I go back to trading, bro? Let's go back to trading, man. I gotta do this breakdown. What time is it? 7:48. Okay, I'll answer a couple more questions, do breakdown trade, and we'll come back to answering questions after. Let's see what else we got. Just bear with me today, okay? Bear with me today. Crackers, crazy work. Yeah, no, it's crazy. What up, Green? Why were you held at gunpoint? I'll tell a story. I'll tell a story later. It's a long story. So something's up outside of gunpoint from MT5, which is why I also stopped showing MT5. I told you guys before I dipped off on stream in July, I was like, I'm gonna stop showing MT5 because people be pocket watching. And yeah, so we already stopped showing MT5 back in like July, so don't expect an MT5 terminal. I'm gonna still show, I could probably still find a way to show my trades, but I'm gonna block out my lots and my balance. But yeah, man, it's a shame because 4 years of like, or a couple, not 4 years actually, 2 years of me showing MT5 for transparency purposes, and that happened. So yeah, kind of cooked. By the transparency, now we'll find a way to be transparent still. Like I have this new journal that we're working on right now. I think if you guys watched the simulation video, you guys probably saw it. It was the journal with the percentages, so it keeps track of my percentage gains and losses. But yeah, we'll find a way to keep the transparency there. Just there might not be a terminal. Do you have delay on stream? No, not delay. You're planning to stream every day? Yo, Orchid, thanks for the... I can't see, it's cut off, but thanks for the donut, bro. Oh, I can't see that amount. Appreciate you. Oh yeah, am I streaming every day? Am I streaming every day? I think so. I'm pretty sure I am. If I tell you guys if I'm off a day, I'll tell you guys, but I'm pretty sure I'm back to stream every day. Monday to Friday plus more. We'll figure some shit out on the weekends, but it's gonna be a lot this year. I have a lot planned for you guys, but I gotta get past this first day first. Miss you guys so much too, man. It's been a long time, bro. Okay, chat. I think we should do the analysis. No, what time is it? 7:47. I haven't done a full out analysis on stream in a minute, so let me see. I got my tools there. Yeah. You guys have a lot of questions, but throughout the streams, it should get answered. Like about trading or non-trading related stuff, it'll get answered. We're here for the whole year, right? So all you gotta do is keep coming back. All right. Let's see. What do you have news today? Holy fuck, I'm getting flashbacks. 9:30 a.m. You have FOMC member Cook speaks. You have final services PMI 9:45. 10 a.m. you have factor orders MM. That's about it for the day. Tomorrow you have US folders. Yeah, ISM at 10. Wednesday ADP non-farm employment change. Thursday yeah nothing. Friday yeah NP. So it's a pretty decent week actually in terms of news. Just Thursday you have nothing going on, and I guess early Tuesday today you got nothing as well, so which means they should get an early push today, which like around now I'll say. All right, so chat, let's do this breakdown. What do you got going on here? So starting off with the monthly. It's been so long, man. All right, this thing has been bullish. Let's see, the entire year last year we started off back here in January, and then we made our push up. Yeah, the whole year was pretty much bullish. Cool. If you zoom into the monthly chat, you're gonna see the monthly. I think you had the first strong, like decent bearish candle closure since the start of the year, or start of 2024. So you had a bearish candle closure right here at like, what is this? November, and December closed week bearish as well. Obviously we're still bullish in terms of structure. You can see like looking at this range here, we're still like making our way up, right? It's still a upward move, but in terms of most recent data, that's what's more important. That's what's most important here, the most recent data you have on the chart. So you have like this right here, right? You also have like, or sorry, you have this entire area as your focus. So this is what you want to focus on for the next month. Let me just have this up here. Yeah, this is what you want to focus on over the next couple of months until you break out the structure zone. So with that being said here, if you zoom in here, obviously like you found a resistance here. Now we don't know how heavy or how strong this resistance is, but what we do know is that you have a bearish closure, which means you have resistance. Your support is like roughly down here. I'm basing that off of just like most recent data. Is this a heavy support? Probably not, but it's a level where price is rejected and tapped many times in the past. So that's what I'm basing it off of, like here, obvious errors to the left here. So you have that for the monthly. That's something to take note of. Chat, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, chat. Like when I do my breakdown nowadays too, I would usually do my breakdown just like the what was it, the 15, 5 and 30 mostly. Like that's like my current time frames that I use the most here, especially the 1 minute too, for entries. But I'll discuss that later. Let me just do this one time so I can get a good refresher here. But yeah, that's the monthly. If you look at the weekly here, you have some type of support being formed right around here on price here. You have this resistance here on price. This is the range that you're kind of sitting in. Anything above this range here, I guess you could say you do have somewhat of clean traffic up. That would also follow with the monthly continuation of that bullish trend that we just discussed, right? Because the monthly still overall bullish in that range. So that's something to take note of, right? Let me just show you guys real quick again. Like you have this right here, you have this right here going to weekly, right? That's the top of the range. You see how it kind of links up, it matches up. So that's cool to take note of. The daily here, we're currently pushing up right now, which is pretty cool because yesterday you had no bottom wick, or on Friday, low refresher of no bottom wick just means that you don't have range to continue down. So the good thing about today's candle is that it started off pushing down first and then it started to flip. So if you look at price here, you can see that you have some type of support being formed right around here, right here, and your resistance is up here. So this is the range that you're sitting in. Now, if this is the range you're sitting in, and the daily had no bottom wick yesterday, so let me just make this like, maybe I'll make this, how do I, where the tools at? I guess it's fine. Right here. So like you have what's that talking about? This no bottom wick here on price, right? Price came down, opened up with the bottom wick first, which means that could be some sort of liquidity. You can see looking left as well that in the past there has been rejections off of these areas as well, and these areas here tend to match up with this, right? You can kind of go back to these areas too, looking left. Those areas, these areas, you also have like these areas here, right? Those are the levels that you have rejected off of in the past. So if that's your bottom wick area and that's where you tap for the day, could that be it for the day? You don't know yet. I don't know yet. I have no idea yet, because for at any given point today, with the daily candle still open, you can still come down, rebreak the lows, right? But what you want to focus on now is you want to focus on the small time frame. So like the 4, the 130, the 15.5. You want to see if the NY session today starts to form some type of structure to confirm that that's your daily bottom wick. So either of that's like the 30, the 1, whatever that is. I think you have the 1 hour opening in about 6 minutes here at 8 a.m. Eastern. So in about 6 minutes here, you have a new candle. Could the 8 a.m. candle create a bottom wick? If so, after you create a bottom wick, could that be the push up towards that top of the range, right? So in terms of targets today, chat, in terms of targets today, like you can probably be pointing at your next minor resistance here, which is going to be like, I'll say here. I'm going to put it right around there, this purple zone right here. I'm basing that off of just like this area, and this area, right? That's what I'm basing it off of. So like if price were to reject at any given point today, that would be a level where price could likely reject that. Now you came close to it. I don't know if this is it. I gotta check the small time frame, but I'll say roughly like in this area here, I'll say you'll have a push up until if you do get some type of bottom wick for the 8 a.m. candle. Keep in mind, chat, you have no news today, right? So no news today means that there's nothing really like throwing price off today. Whatever direction you have should be set once you do have that new 1 hour opening at 8 a.m. here. So that's what we're gonna wait for probably. But the 4 hour counter here, you have a 1 hour until a closure, which means that you spent 3 hours creating this 4 hour candle so far. Now within this 4 hour candle, I don't know if there's more structure on the small time frame. We gotta check that out right now actually. So let's go ahead and take a look at that, see what happens here. Where's the 4 hour low? Right here, right? So that's a 4 hour low. Yeah, you have a push up, strong push up. You have like a bottom wick here that was created, came back up for a second just now, and then the last 15 minutes have came down. So yeah, you have like some decent structure. You can probably put something here as like a decent level. Is it strong? I don't think so, but that is a pretty decent level you gotta take note of. So let's go back on the 4 hour real quick. And since we understand that, let's go ahead and put a line there. I think that should match up with the 4 hour, yeah, minor resistance here. So yeah, we did come down, tap that zone. Price came back up to not retouch the highs, but it came close. You have some type of structure here, right? So that's good. That's good to have, because you want to see more structure today, because the more structure you have, the higher chance you can confirm that daily candle low, right? Because we don't know if this is it yet, but if you do get a bottom wick, let's say you get a bottom wick down towards like here for 8 a.m. here, right? Like this, boom, boom, or shit like this. You come down, you break the lows, right? And then you reflip bullish. After that, what would the bottom wick be? I mean, this is just an example, right? Let's say the bottom wick comes down towards here, the second yellow line. So not the first, but the second one. Let's go ahead and erase this. Go back on the daily, right? You can see if you come down for a bottom wick there, that daily candle would flip bearish, right? So it flipping bearish indicates that I mean, high chance, yeah, it could continue to come down and re-break the lows again. But if it doesn't, for some reason it doesn't, it comes back up after creating a bottom wick, then you know for a fact that's your direction set for a day, because that daily candle isn't going to come back down and re-break the lows again, right? So if that happens on a smaller time frame right now, or between 8 and 9, then you can probably look for buys up on the flip. And then guess what? You have targets till, chat. Going back to what we broke down earlier on the daily, you have targets up until right here. So if that is the case, if that's what you have here on price going on, then we can probably wait for that. Now, obviously, that's just like one idea of many that we're gonna have, right? It's been a minute, so some of you guys might be new here, some of you guys have probably been here for a while, but we're gonna have a lot of ideas throughout the session, right? That's just one simple idea. There's a million positions that you can take in this range here. I think this range here is what, like 65 pips, so it's a pretty decent range here. It's pretty tradable, especially if you're only catching 10 pips. All right, so let's see what's going on here. For 8 AM, you have about a minute left until a closure, and then we'll go from there. All right, and then we'll go from there. Oh, my cam? Was I blocking shit? You know what I should do? I'm just gonna go back to this overlay, chat, for now, and then we'll go back to the other one later, or we'll fix it, because I'm changing this overlay up. I don't know, chat, do you guys prefer if we this year go by pips or we go by percentage gains? I think going by percentage gains also cancels out the negative RR share, because your win rate doesn't mean shit. So we gotta kind of like evolve from that, right? We spent like 2 years on the win rate stuff. It's time to evolve that. It's time to add percentage gains or something. You want to go by pips? We can go by both. Actually, we can go by one. Pips? You guys prefer pips over percentage gains? All right, that's crazy. Okay, sure, we'll go by pips. Why not money like you showed at 5? Did you not watch the beginning of the stream, brother? Rise to you gotta go back to the beginning of the stream. I explained that part. Let's go back. Yo, 35 months from Marcos, 18 months from Cam. What up? Appreciate you. Is that Eddie? Yo, Eddie, appreciate you too. 15 months. Cam's still over the time frames. How did I used to do this? I'll fix this, chat. I'll fix this. I'll get an actual overlay for this. This is just temporary. All right. I think that's fine, no? Two years being a DVS? Welcome back, bro. Welcome back, man. All right. Yo, chat, you have ADM here. So chat, just another thing as well. I know we'll get used to it as we go, but like trades may occur quicker, but I lowered the delay as much as I could. You know what? Let's test the delay. When I count to 5, spam 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2 minutes. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. 3. Chat, what's the delay for on your end? with the time to bottom right. Okay, you have a 1 hour closure here. So y'all no bottom wick for the 1 hour candle. That's cool. One thing about the trading view is that I'm not used to trading view as much as I was used to MT5. But the delay is crazy on trading view. You make any changes to your risk to reward strategy? I think so, because our stops are more based off of like structure breaks on a small time from now. So yeah, like some trades could actually be a 1-to-1. Some trades could actually be positive, but there's no like this 100% this is what it is every time, you know? Like some trades could be a 1-to-5, or not 1-to-5, a negative 1-to-5. Some trades could be a 1-to-1. It just depends on the situation of the trade, right? If we see that price is struggling at certain levels, if we see that price is like likely to reject at a strong level that it has in the past, we can manage risk there, which means we move stops to break even, we can close full, right? So like it's the same as before in terms of that, but it's very dynamic. It's not a hard set every single time, right? So I can't say like every single trade would be a positive RR. Don, general question, answer 300 trades? Yeah, right now. I said just give me some time to break down shit. What do you guys want to know about 300 trades taken that day? That happened on August 29th, 2024. Just like a loophole of just bad trades, throwing every single rule there is in the FX book out the window and just taking trades. What sucks is that like that was like the first day where we had like that was the first losing day in the MAM too. So like bro, there was a lot more than I expected, chat, that I had to adjust to. I honestly thought that like everything on the live is mentally gonna be the same as the MAM. I knew like the money side was gonna be different, like the idea that's people's funds, right? But or mines and people's funds. But the thing about that is the lots change daily. So from that to me having to adjust my lots daily to just a lot, there's just like so many adjustments. And it took me, it wasn't just the 29th too. Like I had a shit show from in August, end of August, 29th September, and I had a shit show in October as well. And things didn't come back to somewhat normal until like November for me. So yeah, it took a lot on my mental as well. Like I've never been in that position before, but it happened, right? And I could learn from it, or I did learn from it, but it took longer than I thought to really adjust back and kind of come back to kind of where I was. But yeah, man, it was a lot more different than I expected. Blocking timeframes, chat. It's there still, chat. Still there. No? XAU USD, you see a timeframe now? We make any change to the strategy? We always make changes to the strategy. Chat, I gotta pay attention here. What was this range here in 1 minute? 35 pips. Yeah, you have no bottom wick here. Yeah, you just came down for a bottom wick here on price. What level did we say we're looking for? We're looking for something way below here, right? What I remember from earlier. Yeah. So didn't break the lows, but you did have a decent bottom wick here. You have range till here. That's what I'm looking at here. I know we do have range coming up towards like 2650. So let's see, bottom wick. You have comics open in about 13 minutes here. You have no news today. Let me see what happens here. I want to see if price reacts somewhat over here at like 46 levels. Because if you could react here, create some more, create another bottom wick on like the 5 or the 1, right? Somewhat like 45 levels, and then reflip. We can probably look for buys coming up here. I just want to see like at least one more thing, because if you didn't come down towards where we wanted price to come, but you did come down for a bottom wick, and we now got to add an extra confirmation. So probably got another bottom wick here at like 45, 44, and then you have range till 2650. It's a 4 pip range. Also chat, the thing about calculating pips now is that my lots is now split into 4s. So, or I take 4 positions. So pips wise, when we catch 10, it's now 10 gonna be 40, which is why I suggested we go to the percentage idea instead of like the pips idea. Why I changed to the 1? Because it's just more like, it's just more look at just something, it's just more confirmations, right? My focus is mainly on the 1 hour, right? You can see like the 1 hour bottom wick, but like 1 minute just for like structure on the way up, right? Like if we know we're waiting for a bottom wick here, look, so we wanted to see you can reject off of 46. You haven't rejected yet, but if you can create some type of bottom wick coming down towards like here, and then you reflip, right? The 5 will come down for a bottom, the 5 for instance, you won't have to worry about this 5 no bottom wick here, because you would have come down to here in the 1, which means that you would have done something like this, boom boom, right? Which means that you have structure on your way up towards that 50 level. 1 hour just broke the highs there. Okay, cool. So there's no bottom wick there. You broke above all of those ranges highs. What's this? 14 pips going up. Yeah, no, if you wanted to pull, this would have been it. I was looking for that bottom wick. Have you gone into FEG? I don't know. Because maybe if it aligns with what I'm showing, what I'm saying, I guess that's FEG. But I didn't actually like I haven't watched any videos on FEG. New update journal. We have a new one coming. This 5 just closed there, by the way, chat. What time is it? 8:10. Okay, 8:10. Yeah, 20 minutes left till comics open here. I don't know, maybe I might show terminal again. We'll see, because I am also more used to the terminal, but I gotta find a way to hide the balance. The lots I don't really care about, just the balance. Too many pocket watchers. You can't install a second MT5. No, I have MT5 on my other PC running right now. On my laptop. Are you not worried about price going 2336? You see, like, that's why we had the bottom wick that we initially looked for, because the bottom wick we're looking for is 2642. But if it doesn't reject off of 2642 and it comes back up, that's our buy. But if it does come down towards like 2642 like this, right, and it just like breaks it, then we're not looking for buys down here, right? We want to see price come down and re-break the highs or something for the buys up. So like, am I worried about 36? Yes, but not yet, right? Like that's all the way down here. And I'm not looking for sells down just yet. I'll let you guys know if I have sells down. So Blueberry, yeah. That's another thing too, chat. The fact that people were saying we had a deal it's crazy because even Blueberry asked me to put a statement out. They're like, can you put a statement out to clear up the air when that happened? Detroit never used it yet. Playbook 2.0, the playbook was set to drop in the summer. It's pretty much done, chat. It's just putting it into an ebook now, but like it's pretty much done. And it's dropping for free. But there hasn't been a time where I can actually drop it yet since then. So probably sometime this year. I'll try to push for sometime like Q1. 1K likes for first stream back. Yo, Cam, what up, man? Big loss gonna happen. It's not the first time. That's another thing too. Like, I was telling chat, like, chat, did I not say these exact words? I was like, we're gonna have rough moments again. Like, it's gonna, like, it isn't just always one smooth ride to the top. Like, on stream, I said, like, chat, we might be on, like, at the time when I think it was, we're on a 60 win streak. I was saying, like, yo, we're gonna have a tough streak. It's gonna happen, right? It's just part of trading. Like, it's trading, chat. It's trading, man. Are we gonna act like you didn't lose everybody money? No, I'm gonna make it known that I lost everyone money and gave everyone it back. I'm gonna make it known. I'm not trying to forget that. Don't worry. It's on top of my mind every day. I lost everyone money. Nah, like, I'm gonna make it known. Yo, chat, I'm not gonna lie. I was looking to come back to I was looking to come back on stream on Twitch instead, but like for the music. But I decided to stay on YouTube. Twitch would have been cool. We've been a way to like branch out. I think our audience is mostly on YouTube. Our like age demographic. They don't pay as much. It's not about paying. Like, it's just the conditions they have, and like for like music and corporate music and stuff like that. That's all I really care about. I need music. Music is a game changer. The thing about me trading my own was just there's always music playing. Zoom links, yeah, I'm gonna get to that. I'm gonna be announcing something in the alumni channel, which is that course channel. It's called Alumni, all past graduates. But you guys get an announcement. We got some stuff. We got some stuff. Card never dropped, I know. Chat, what happened the last time we were still active here? It was April 2024. No, what am I saying? It was July. What has happened since? Wait. happen here? What type of range here? 26, 45.508 came down there. Cool. So we got the bottom wick, but that happened after. So we can't really look for the same buys anymore as we did before. If we do, it'll be a completely different idea. You still have 3 minutes till comics open. I want to see what happens for comics here, chat. Should bring us some volume. Maybe we can capitalize off of that, and that'll be it for today. But could be a steeper bottom wick. I want to see if you can pass this yellow marker here for a bottom wick. What's the range coming down here? Yeah, I should fill this range here for 20. Let's see. Let's see. You try to talk to anyone about what happened? Yeah, I have people that I talk to. I have someone that was actually in my MAM that was in the same situation as me, and they still support me to this day. And we still talk, and yeah, I got work with them every day. We're just working, and he talked to me. He called me the day it happened. And then we talked that day too. I talked to a lot of people. But a lot of people switched up though. A lot of people switched up. Like, a lot of people switched up. I don't know what happened. They got lost or what? I don't know. They're saying Wix doing his thing. Wix doing his thing. I gave him the NY when I dipped off. I gave him the NY slot. Yeah, I gave him the NY slot. I'm not gonna take it back from him. Nor am I gonna ask him for it back. Like, he can do what he wants to do, you know? Do what he wants to do. But I don't know. Comics open here, chat. M10 Productions, appreciate you, bro. It's so crazy seeing all these names again. Champs Gaming Zone, Kieran, Loss, Chris Devowd, Danielle, Lone Trader, Rays, No Hezzy Rays, Ace Cadet. Triz. That's a lot of names here. All right, chat. So comics open. You're pushing down here. Still haven't tapped the yellow zone yet. I want to see if we can tap it. I'm not interested in sells just yet. I probably won't be interested in sells until you start to break below like these ranges below here or something, but let's see what happens. Don't let this stop you. No, I'm here. Be back. I'll be here the whole year. Do you move to take one trade a day? My trades, like, for the past like, I'll say for the past month has been, yeah, like 1 to 3 trades. Like usually I'll look for, like I was still waking up early in the morning, chat, and I was looking for trades at like 7:30 pre-NY push. If it wasn't for that, I'll come on for that COMEX open. I'll peep that. And then it wasn't for the COMEX open, then it was the 9 a.m. opening and an NYC opening. Like that's what I was focusing on. Whatever I did in the simulation is whatever I was kind of doing. And I just had the spreadsheet to keep track of my days and my percentage gains. Usually like 1%, I'm done for the day. Not that that's like a target or goal, but like I'll know like, okay, after 1%, I have a decision to make, either to like continue trading or call it a day. And more times than not, I would call it a day after 1%. So today, like we had like, yeah, today we had no trades yet, but yeah, we did. The last day I traded was Monday. We did 0.73%. The day before we did 2.51. Thursday we did 0.88. And my average losses, I've been like, since I stacked 4 positions, my hard losses, like when I'm done for the day, at one point it was 14% or no, 15%, and then I lowered it down to 10 as my balance increased. So now my risk is around like 9 to 10%, which means that like, doesn't mean that every trade is 9%. It means like the max daily loss for me is that much, and then I'm like off the charts, right? So like one loss with my positions and my average stop losses I have here, it'll be around like 4 to 5% for one loss. And depending on what time that loss is, either if it's during pre-NY or late NY session, determines whether or not I'm calling it a day, right? If it's pre-NY and I still have the actual direction for a day that hasn't informed me, I'm looking to ride that wave, then I'll continue trading, right? The other 4%. But after that cutoff, it's done, right? So that's kind of how I built like a risk system for me and the mem. But over time it drops, right? Started off at 15, then went to 10, and now it's at like 9, 10 though. Yeah, it should be good though. Yeah, what have you guys been up to? What have you guys been up to? Drugs? Come on, Martin. Y'all lock it in, bro. Yeah, you had no push for COMEX. Sometimes it comes a little later for COMEX. But it's already 9:25. 5 minutes has passed since COMEX. Next up is a 30-minute closure. So I want to see how this plays a part. Okay, so you tap the yellow zone, right? That bottom wick zone. We're likely gonna push past it. I want to see how far we push past it. And what time is it? 30 minutes to the 4-hour closure. I think this 4 count's gonna close bullish. I don't think you're gonna flip within like 33 minutes for 100 pips. So if it's closing bullish, at least you know for the next 4 count you have a wick to fill, which is gonna be like, if you look at this chat, right? You look at this wick fill right here. It's gonna be roughly like whatever this is for the next 4-hour candle. So if you don't have a trade now, you can already start planning for the next 4-hour candle. It's a 60 pip wick fill, so you can look to grab that in that range. Yeah, yo, if you have charts and questions, send them in the charts for stream section in our Discord. I'm looking at that again. So if you guys go to charts for stream or charts under DVS, you're gonna have charts right here. Go here and send your charts. I'll look at it. Don't send anything weird though. Yo, mods, Remember last time what happened? What does someone take here? Sells? What time frame is this? The 15? Yeah, it's cool. This is clean. There's some type of resistance here. Price reject off of that zone there. You had a, what is this, a 15 closure here. This doesn't have a top wick here, but you can say like this area alone was like grabbing liquidity anyways. Yeah, this is a good trade. Is this the one I just missed? No, it's a different one. When was this? 15-minute time from gold. I have no idea when this was, but good trade. That is a very clean trade. Link expired. Can one of the mods send the link for the new links? Let's see. All right, it's not bad. I get the idea. What time frame is this? This is GA on the 2-hour time frame. Problem number one, you traded 2-hour time frame. I've actually never touched a 2-hour time frame before. 2 hour and 3 hours. Yeah, your levels are cool. You have some cool levels there. Yeah, resistance here. The only thing I'll say is try to focus on one area at a time, but I don't know what your overall perspective is. You might be looking at some other liquidity grabs down here or something. So yeah, the levels look pretty straight. That's Levi though. What up, Levi? Meti. What happened here? You tried to take buys here going up, and then price rebirth the lows. What time frame is this? 30-minute time frame. You didn't close above these areas here. If you were looking for a push, I don't know when you got in. If you were looking for one, the flip here up, if anything, that would have given you like, what was that, 25 pips? That was your push. I don't know if you got in before that or not, but you're break even the minimum. Especially understand that, yeah, you didn't close above the range, but you can still get a wick up, right? That's part of your idea there. Yeah, go break even minimum. Like, I'll say this is your break-even zone. You almost tapped it, but still like 25 pips in profit. There's no reason for that count to flip bearish, right? You know that if you close at resistance and then you flip bearish, what's gonna happen? You're gonna flip bearish and continue down and fill the range, which is what's happening I think right now on gold, right? Yeah. So yeah, just keep that in mind, which is a good idea actually. You flip bearish, you fill the range down, right? This 30-minute candle closed bearish here, which is pretty interesting. I'm still not interested in sells yet, chat. This forward candle closes up in 29. You still get a wick fill up. But I'll say if you, let's see. 8:30 here, 30-minute candle closed bearish. I want to see what happens here. I want to see this 30-minute candle comes down, taps like this white zone here, and then flips bullish, because then you can probably grab something here going up. But if you can tap like 39 and then reflip, that'd be great. The structure in the 1 minute's bearish, right? You can kind of see you're starting to create higher highs, higher lows. Let's see. If you got something like this and then you flip bearish, like if you got, chat, if you got like a bearish candle looking like this and then you flip bearish like that, that would be my sells coming down for the flip coming down, but it hasn't happened yet. I want to see if this 30-minute candle is valid or not. They're missing top wick. Yeah. I just want to see if we can get a steeper bottom wick, and then that flip, I got buys up. If you guys are fucking with the stream though, leave a like, chat. First stream back, a little rusty today, but we'll get back in flow. I think every year, my first year back, my first stream back, I'm rusty. This year is was a much longer break though. What is this? Is this what are these lines here? Oh, that's a time. 15. Wait, why is it broken up? What is this? NPM6. ICT HTF. Okay, makes sense. Wait, is this not gold? 2642. What is this? What's? Oh no, that's not a pair. That's your name. I'm tripping. Why is it broken up? Is it indicator? What is this? Interesting. You have a structure being formed the 1 minute here, making our way down now. Can you tap the white zone? How much is this range since we started here? So a 20 minutes, 4 pip range. That's pretty decent. Okay, you broke it. Okay, cool. So you tap the white zone here, chat. Obviously, we can't take a buy here off the bat because one, you have 26 minutes to a 4-hour closure. But most importantly, because you can still continue down. We don't know if it's gonna reject or not, right? Your buys will be above like 42, 43. You don't want to look for buys here yet. This is bearish. How far though? 30 minute close right at support too. So can it flip, right? That 42, 43 zone is a 30-minute flip here. They flipped, yeah, they did flip, right? But we were looking for this earlier too. We were looking to see if you can come down for a 1 hour bottom wick and then a reflip, but I don't know if we're gonna reflip or not here. We might end up closing bearish. This shows that you have clean traffic here, right? Like it shows you have clean traffic up until 36, but I think my concern was just in this 30-minute 1 hour zone here, these levels here. I want to see what happens here. Well, because once you see it, it'll give you a direction compared to just guessing where it's gonna head now. Ads, chat. Ads on live is pretty weak. I'm not running them. It might be auto. Do other streamers not get ads? I swear on Twitch you get like 20 ads. I was watching Kai Snot like yesterday and he was getting like 20 ads, or 7 ads. Like 7 back to back to back to back to back. Non-skippable unless you're a Prime member. Yeah, I don't know why you guys getting ads though, because this wasn't a problem before. I'll maybe I'll try to change it. How many ads you guys getting? You've gotten your 3rd set of ads? How long's the set? 2? To the man who taught me how to fish, I would never become a consistent profit trader without you, bro. Ike? Appreciate you, Ike. Right now, I'm glad to have you back here. We're glad to see you here, bro. Yeah, I think it's just coming down here heavy. Go 6, you're back. The clock? Yeah, where is the clock? This thing is pushing. The 4 candle, I said I didn't think I was gonna flip, but it actually might flip before the 4-hour candle closes. You're not even far off here. Holy, you're like 29 pips away. It was like up here. I was like, I think it's gonna close bullish if anything. Wow. Was there news? There's no news at all. Cool. So let's go ahead and mark up. Okay, we can probably refresh the charts. Chat, I also refresh my charts like pretty often now too. So let's refresh our charts. Let's go here. Let's add a 1 hour zone there. I think you have a 1 hour zone right around here. Yeah, right around there should be good. As your somewhat of support. 4 hour candle just flip. You have the wick fill now. You have 22 minutes left though. So this 4 hour candle, if it closes bearish, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a leg candle. You guys remember that what that was? The leg candle, no bottom wick on a closure, huge top wick. That's the only way it can close, right? So it might do something like this and close like this, but it's gonna close likely the leg candle if it does close bearish, which is good to take note of for the next 1 hour candle or 4 hour candle. But right now we have to worry about this 31 level, 31, 32 zone here. You have a 4 hour wick fill, but damn. You have a minute for a 5 closure. You do have a 5 closure below here in about a minute. How strong is this 5 minute support though is a question. So what's that, 31? So you might have something here with the 5 closure in a minute here. You might have some sells in the new 5 opening. If you close below like 31 here, you can probably attempt some sells coming down towards 26.717. You're only looking for a small move over there, right? You're not looking for the entire move. So don't be stressed if, you know, this thing came down 150 and you only caught the bottom of the range. Like, you don't have to catch the full move in order to become profitable. You can catch a small piece of it and move on to the next, right? If you focus on percentages, you won't worry about how big that move was or what happened, what you missed. You're only focused on solely catching your move. Or I'm just coping here, but just bear with me. We have 35 seconds. 35 seconds, man. Okay, just cope with me. It can't stop. Yeah, it's just bleeding, yo. This thing's just pushing. You still trade onions, fake outs, celeries? I think so. It's just a lot more detailed now. Celeries we haven't taken in a long time though. But fake outs, onions, yeah, we do in terms of structure. We look for that to determine our structure. There's chat. You have a 5 minute closure here. So what I'm gonna do here is take my sells there. 1-click trading enabled. Okay, I got in sells there. What are my positions even now? What was this 29.58 was my first position, 29.58, which is down here. And then this is the thing about terminal, not having terminal now though, but 26.58, sorry, 29.58, 26.28.90, 26.28.78, 26.28.75, and my TP is roughly down here at 26.794. All right, chat. Closing full my positions here. Just close. What do we do there? You know what? I'm gonna show you. This is a good way to show transparency. Let me go into signals channel and show you guys. 21, 20, 20, 20. So 28 pips. What is that? 28 pips plus 19. 28 plus 19 plus 20 plus 21. 88 pips on the first day back. 88 my lucky number, chat. What percent is that though? Let's see. Let's enter the percentage gains. Let me see real quick. Let me do my calculations real quick. It's gonna take some time, chat. But whatever it takes, you know, 2025, whatever it takes. One trade at a time, one day at a time. And it's gonna be good eventually. Let's see here. So that starting. Let me get the rough percentages on. Let me see. What was it? You guys heard the MT5 sound, right? What percentage was that? $1.97%. So we have 1.97% today, which is just like a carryover. So like, if my daily goal is like, once the journal's up, it'll be a lot more clear, chat. But our what do you call it? Our carryover is 0.97. So we did 0.97 over our goal today, which means that tomorrow we could probably go a little more soft, a little more chill, right? Our goal tomorrow, like for the week, let's say our average is like 5%, we're already up 2% on Monday. Man, you can probably relax a little bit more on a Tuesday, on the following day, right? You can probably like take it a little more easy. But yeah, 28 pips was a banger trade today, chat. Or not 28, 88 pips today. 88 pips. Dubs, chat. Dubs in the chat. If you guys enjoyed the stream, leave a like and sub to the channel. I appreciate you being here today. Don't dip. I know how it goes. You guys just dip after this, but we got a whole year ahead of us. Okay, chat? A whole year ahead of us. And it's going to take some time. Janez, appreciate you, man. Thanks for the 5. Thanks for the 5, mate. I'm keen to see you here. You took 4 positions. I take 1, but divide, like it's divided by 4. So it's just 4 positions. But percentage, okay, just look at percentages. That's what I'm saying. Like we can look at it as 88 pips, or we can look at it as percentages. I'd rather look at it in terms of percentages. This is more mature as a trader, you know. We're working our way there. We spent 4 years to get here. Like I had to spend. It took me like 4 years to even to adapt to like the percentage thing, because for some time it affected me, because I felt like it was just pressure when you have percentages, but it's really just like a way to, you know, dive deeper into your stats and know your average wins and losses, so you can kind of balance it out over time and keep yourself more disciplined, right? Did you call your entry? Yeah, on stream and then in the signals. It's in 4K, man. Okay, man. Will you count loss times 4? It'll be too much. Percentage losses, right? We'll count percentage. Yeah, we will. My biggest loss, my average loss has been, I've had only, let's see, I've had 4 like major losses, and the average between the 4 was around like 8%. So I had 4 losses since November 20th, 24th, 4 losing days. And the average is around like 9-10%. No, 13 first day, second day 15, third day 9, fourth day 7. So yeah, it's been around like, I'll say 10% around there, our average. But we're looking to lower that as the year goes on. That's the goal. Is that the 4-hour flip on your chart? Is that the 4-hour flip? Yeah, 4-hour flip. I honestly didn't think this would happen at all. I was looking for buys today, right? And then we wait for that top wick or that bottom wick, right? That's why we had to wait for the bottom wick to confirm that, like, if you're gonna go up, you have liquidity ready to go up, but you didn't. You just continue to push down. So then you had this push that back into the ranges, and then we caught the 5-minute closure. So the moment the 5 close, it's momentum too, right? Because if you look at the 5 here, right, you look at the 5, you close below 31 zone, and the reason I didn't wait for a bottom wick was because of this right here. This thing pulled back the last 10 seconds, so now you have a wick fill on top of a closure, right? So you're looking to aim towards that wick fill, which is why my TP is here. I didn't get a chance to tell you guys where the TP was, because it was the stop loss was, because it was too fast. But honestly, I think it would have been like, where would my stop loss have been? What is this? I'll say around there, around like 38 hard stop, right? Depending on how heavy it drives up, if it forms structure or not, we are gonna manage risk there. So as the year goes on, we'll have obviously more examples of managing risk. But yeah, like if that's our hard stop, doesn't mean like we have to hold to that stop. Depending on if the candle decides to push up like this or like this, where it creates structure, depending on how that looks, we can manage, right? Because if it drives up with no structure, then you can still push down with the 15-minute time frame, the 30 and whatever, right? But if it does form structure up, it's creating bottom wicks, which means that if you are going to go down, it would have had to gone down on these poles down, but it didn't. So then we manage risk, right? Which is our hard stop is up here. So instead of closing up here, we might close like here or here, right? After the bottom wick here or something. But I'll provide a million examples throughout the year live of what we'll do. All right, chat. Grade more charts. All right, yeah, grade more charts. But actually, I can't say those words because everyone's gonna leave. But oh wow, you caught the 30-minute candle closure. Damn. And a tight stop loss. And you got some balls, huh? 30-minute candle closure is where? Here? You got some balls. This thing closed right at support too. That's a good trade though. That's a nice push. I don't know what happened here, chat, but this thing just continued to drive. Like this whole NY session, this 1 hour candle has been a push for like 210 pips, which has been crazy because gold has been moving like in that range almost every day. But yeah, it's been moving that like, am I tripping, chat? Or it's been moving in that range every day for the last like, I'll say for the last like 3 months, 4 months. It hasn't stopped. Let me put trades taken though. Trades taken. Wrong keyboard. 88 pips. I also need a new journal. Fuck, gotta get that done. 88 pips or 1.97%. Let's just put that. All right. Slash 1.97%. I think I'm gonna go by percentage. Just go tomorrow forward though. Do you journal trades? Yeah, I journal. I have a journal. Chat. The thing about journaling too is like sometimes you gotta take a little break from journaling. Sometimes I gotta take a little break from journaling. And then I started journaling again in November. Maybe I took a break from journaling though because I took too many trades. But yeah, I took a little break from journaling. I'm just coping with you guys, man. It was fucking rough, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It was rough. Like I haven't felt that way in like 4 years of trading since the beginning, I'll say. So it's just trading though. Like you're gonna have highs and lows, right? What's that famous line, F1? In F1, there's the highs are very high and the lows are very low. It's like trading too. The highs are very high and the lows are very low. You just gotta work on balancing it out. And even me, 4 years of experience, still got cooked, right? Still got cooked for a couple months too. So learn from my mistakes. But I'm learning every day and I'm never gonna stop learning. I'll never give up on learning and trying to improve. Max. Oh, I've been playing iRacing too. And tell you guys that I've been watching Mad F1. Yeah. Watching Mad F1. For sure, was the entrance stuff called? 5-minute closure below the range, I'll say. 5-minute closure below the range. You know what? Since we are still streaming here, this is actually a stream journal. Let me use this for now until we make the new one. Yeah, let me just put this here. Was it actually 88 though? Or am I lying? $21.8 plus 20.8 plus 19.6 plus 28, 90.2. So 90 pips. Yeah, 90 pips. All right. Wait, we're on a stream record still. Hold on. 503. Yo, we're on a 30 win streak right now, chat. On stream. The year just started too. That is crazy. Yeah, we're on a 30 win streak right now. You guys thought I forgot? Hey, you gotta look at the pauses, right? That's still a positive. Like we like, you just gotta look at the pauses, man. I know things ain't positive right now, but you gotta look at the pauses. Keep yourself going forward. Like I'm delusional. I just have to, whatever it takes for myself to just, you know, move forward and do whatever I can to give you guys the best of me and the best of everything that we're about to give you. 30 win streak though is crazy. Start over. No, like we're on a 30 win streak on stream though. Joshua, what up, man? What up, man? Are my eyes deceiving me or did I miss? Yeah, it was at 8:30 something. 8:40. Yeah, on stream. All right. What time is it? 8:54. What else could we do? I'm probably gonna be here till 9, chat. 9, maybe like a little longer, but usually I'm off after charts. I'm probably done trading. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not looking for anything else. What else is in the Discord? Charts for stream. What else you guys send here? Oh, you got the buys up on the 15. A little bit of drawdown. It's light though. A 9 pip drawdown. Okay, no pineapples. We're going up. Oh, this is the last night Asian session. Yeah, you took this on the opening of the candle. The session. I remember that. Cool. Okay, nice sells down on the 5. Wait, this is currently right now. You got in sells just now on the 5. What's your level? 26.492. Damn. Nota. Yeah, the 1 hour wick fill in about 4 minutes here. So yeah, you can still get the 1 hour wick fill. Just I don't know how steep that top wick is gonna be, but hopefully not that big. Still 290 more trades, facts. What if we divide the pips by number of positions? In this case, you don't want to see me win, huh? I'll be asked, just go by 1.97%. Why does that have, you know? Why do you divide it? I took 4 positions. Just go by 1.9. We'll fix everything. We won't gotta worry about pips. Yeah, let's go by 1.9. Do you click 4 times? Yeah, I click 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't have to do that, chat, by the way, huh? It's just personal preference. You can just have 1 full lot size. Yo, congrats on your sells. This thing just came down now before the 1 hour closure, so you don't gotta worry about that top wick. Nice. Then you hit TP, right? 19. No, you got 30 pips to go. You're sitting 30 in profit. That's good. Good shit, man. Good shit. What up, MM? Is Entree gonna be trading the 1 hour wick fail? I reached my average goal for the day, and it's the first stream back. Like I don't want to go taking more trades. Bearish flip top wick liquidity. Oh, you guys watch Squid Games 2? I didn't watch number 2. I watched number 1, but I haven't had time to watch 2. Is it good? Oh, I started playing Elden Ring. That's one of my New Year's resolutions, to finish Elden Ring. One of them. Oh, I finished Elden Ring. What's gonna come first? The man come back or finish Elden Ring? You ever played 33? I don't know the reference. I didn't watch it. You got an ad? I said whatever it takes, bro. Whatever it takes. Gotta run a bunch of ads. Whatever it takes. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. How old are you now, Unc? 24. Turning 25. Yo, chat, what was the most life-changing year you guys had in your life so far? In age? My dumbass really thought I learned a lot at 21. Or at 22. No, at 23 too. Every year, I feel like it's just more and more, and that shit never stops. $40. Yeah, I know. You definitely learn more there too. But in terms of like my average age right now, yeah, I grew my hair out in the course videos. My hair was long as hell. $19 for sure. Yeah. Bruh. 19, man. Man. You think so? You learned the most at 19? Have you seen Janez? No, I haven't peeped Janez. Is Janez back on streaming? But don't even get me started on some of the other people. I don't even know who else is streaming, but damn, man. They be chatting. Janez cool though. I fuck with Janez. But damn, chat. It'll be our own people, man. They be our own people. No, not Wix. Wix doing his thing, man. Wix is doing his thing. I'm doing my thing. Wix doing his thing. We cool. But some people, god damn. Like, it was someone posting about me, and I check our DMs. And in the DMs, like every day, begging for moderator. Can I please be mod? Can I please be mod, Don? Can I please be mod? I'm like, damn near 40 years old. And then just making mad videos about us after for their content page. just to get a shout. Because it fits the narrative, right? Oh, Carlo, what up? OG. All right, chat. What am I gonna do now? I think I'm gonna hop off. I think that's it for the first stream, man. Yeah, I think, did we cover everything today? I know we're gonna have to cover more tomorrow, but I think we cover a lot today. We came on stream today, came back, had a decent intro. You guys messed with the new intro, by the way. The new intro is pretty fire. Shout out to him. Yeah, we got a trade. We got 88 pip W on the first day back, or a 1.9% gain today on stream. Yeah, chat, I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow, man. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow on stream, bro. In a minute. I love you guys. Should I stay? What do you guys want me to do if I stay? I gotta plan out what to do. Like, I came in today's stream just like I was winging it. Like, I had nothing planned for today's stream. I didn't even have an overlay. I'm just gonna wing it, see what the vibes are like, and then we'll plan from there. No games. We ain't playing no games. We can play Elden Ring one day on stream once things are high again. We got the whole year, chat. Cheers to 2025. I love you guys. I wish you guys well for the year. And yeah, we're here. We're doing this together. Whatever it takes, chat. I love you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. As for time slot and schedule, I don't know what time I'm starting my stream. Do you guys like today's time? You guys like when I start before 8 or after 8? I used to start at 8, but now today I started at 7. Came on at 7:30. Gives us a bit 30 minutes more. I figured we needed 30 minutes today to talk, but before. Okay, I can come at 7:30. I can come at 7:30. Okay, I can do the same shit. Start stream at 7 and then come on at 7:30. Cool. And I barely slept last night. I was so excited coming back to stream today. Mad excited to come back on stream today. Couldn't even sleep. All right, yo, chat. I love you guys, bro. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, man. Peace out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe. Peace out, gangy. Peace out, man.
The career is more at stake when you in your prime. Fuck that paper, baby, my face on the dotted line. I've been flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, they just want a peace of mind. I've been focused on the future, never on right now. But I'm sipping that kombucha, either pink or brown. I'm the one that introduced you to the you right now. Oh my God, that be babe. Well, alright, tryna fight in the night. Come alive, ain't it sneak? Ain't it? Ain't it? Ain't it?
Pop my shit, get it live, hold up, yeah, you try to come around back the shit, they popping your tires, hold up, shit, 100 round, feeling like I'm on team, playing both sides of these hoes, shot out on fucking your friends, I been going crazy, shot, I been in the deep end, she not in the scene, she just tryna go, I just been icing my hoes. I just been dripping my hoes. Just holding out a level shot. I got these hoes on their toes. I put the bitch on the road. She tryna fuck on the old. I got this hoe with me. She tryna show me something. I got flows for days. Niggas ain't on nothing. Me and my bro like they ain't know we on one. We in the spot going crazy until the sun up. You worried about that hoe done chose up. Pistol solid in the kitchen, can't get it cold up. Fuck these niggas ain't like they know it. Double O kick this shit, we told up. Switch out the bed, these niggas get rolled up. Everything hit, everything.
You was on bullshit. I was fucking with you and you was on bullshit. You was acting like a nigga wasn't gonna be up. Now a nigga up, you tryna fuck. Now I ain't even tryna get down. Now you want. Now you want. Now you want. You want me back then. Now you on it. Now you on it. Now you on it. Now you on it. Blicked up, y'all keep me a seat. Blicked up, y'all keep me a seat. When I walk through that bitch, y'all keep me a seat. Yeah, I walked in that bitch and I'm blicked up. I just walked in that bitch and I got an AP on my wrist. It's not an Invicta. Can't bang bang my gang, get caught out the picture. Whoa, my life still loaded. I been getting money, these niggas been trolling. Ain't had no jury, no my neck and wrist frozen. Ain't had no social media, now see me when I'm scrolling. Oh shit, I came from the mud, now I'm out in Cali. Shout out to my blood, it is what it is, yeah it was what it was. I been fucking this bitch for years, we got a strong connection. Went from commercial to first class, now I'm jumping off a jet. Every time I move, they gotta cut me a check. Every time she pull up, she dropping off that net. Can't tell you the whole story, cause you already know the rest. Oh shit, oh shit. My life still loaded. I can't sugarcoat it. I've been having cheese so long, this shit done molded. Oh shit, oh shit. I think that I'm chosen. These niggas be hating Mr. Mose. Me and my team tryna win a trophy. Snap, proud, she wanna design things. Mashed up, I'ma ride some of my Robbie jeans. Pass up on the broad fast, yeah I'm mean. If I head fat, pussy that's how I like it, keep it clean. Whoa, whoa. I dropped out of school, jumped in his bitch, I know right in her pool. I don't owe you no loyalty, we not cool. Oh shit, oh shit. My life still low. Why you still trolling? This photo gon' turn a nigga to a whole bitch. Smoke switch sweets, grab and leave, yeah, nice paper. If she about it now, she get this cock, can I say, ain't gon' pass you to the gang, I'ma fuck with you later. I been off it, and I'ma stay there. Oh shit, oh shit. My life still loaded. I been solo, yeah, working on my dollar. You was on bullshit. I was fucking with you and you was on bullshit. You was acting like a nigga wasn't gonna be up. Now a nigga up, you tryna fuck, and I ain't even tryna get there. Now you want. Now you want. Now you want. You want back then, now you on it. Now you on it. Now you on it. Now you on it. Blicked up, yeah, I keep me a seat. Blicked up, yeah, I keep me a seat. When I walk through that bitch, yeah, I keep me a seat. Yeah, I walked in that bitch and I'm blicked up. I just walked in that bitch and I got an AP on my wrist. It's not